Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by preparing the environment so your web app is reproducible. Install Python 3, 10 or newer, pip, and create a virtualenv. This prevents dependency conflicts. Once done, pick a framework, Flask if you want minimal overhead, Django for built-in auth and admin. Make a repo and commit an initial app file, then run the dev server to confirm. Make sure to add a requirements, txd or piproject, toml so others can install exactly what you used. Now you implement the app's core, routes or views that map URLs to logic. Create focused handlers and split responsibilities across modules. Next, wire up your database with an ORM, SQL Alchemy or Django ORM, create models, run migrations, and seed initial data. Once data and routes exist, add templates for server-rendered pages or JSON endpoints for APIs, and validate inputs to prevent bad data. Also, include error handling and logging so you can trace issues when users interact with your app. Finish by deploying to production with a reliable stack, Unicorn behind Nginx, Docker containers, or a managed platform. Configure environment variables for secrets, enable HTTPS and scale workers or replicas based on load. Once deployed, monitor logs and metrics and run end-to-end tests in staging before promotion. If something breaks, check logs first, reproduce locally, then roll back to the last stable release. This is your quickest recovery. Make sure CI runs tests and avoids deploying broken code.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.